Debilitate, make something weaker, lame, disabled, crippled. Acquiesce, mean to agree without complaining, agree to reset. Rancor, deep-seated feeling of bitterness, anger, ill will, envy, anger. Indolent means lazy, disliking work or effort, lazy, relax or do nothing. Loquacious, someone who talks a lot, talkative. Constrict, squeeze uncomfortably, constrict, contract. Taciturn, who is uncommunicative, silent, shy, quiet. Squalid, in a state of disappear, neglected, filthy, dirty. Asterisk, something understood by only a few people, obvious. Subscribe my channel and thumbs up. Thank you.